CERN was created after the Second World War, when a lot of talents were basically moving to the US, and we wanted to do something ambitious in Europe. So basically this idea to create a huge scientific instrument to answer questions about the universe was formed in the 1950s and has currently led to this fantastic community of people from all kinds of nationalities around Geneva. It's interesting to see because in 1950, 1960 there was still a lot of agricultural land, and if you now see how that community has built with these 23 member states, 23 countries supporting this, I think it's quite a remarkable journey, I would say. I think it's interesting to see that both have the ambition to work on fundamental science. CERN looks really inside matter, what's happening inside protons, so at the smallest of the smallest scales, whereas in Einstein telescope, and the word already indicates it, telescope looks outside and tries to understand what's happening there on a very large scale. So both are very different instruments with a different background, but both appeal to the same questions that mankind has ever had related to the universe. Most people associate CERN with high energy physics, the place where particles are being collided and where physics is being done. But in order to make that possible, you need a lot of technology, and exactly this technology that you can also use in other fields. So at CERN, the World Wide Web was created there, we have contributed to a touchscreen, but at the moment we're really driving a program to find more innovative applications for CERN technology, specifically in the healthcare, environment, quantum, digital and aerospace. So CERN has a budget to spend, and a significant part of that budget goes to industry. And from that industry, some industry is in a local region. So that is naturally a way how the local region will profit from the presence of a CERN or an Einstein telescope. When you talk about integration with the local community, the first thing to realize is that not everybody at CERN has a background in theoretical physics. So there are many people who need to help with the welding, with energy supply, with programming, but also with cooking food for 12,000 people that visit there, with helping others to learn French. So many of the people locally found a new job at CERN. But then also many people who came to CERN internationally integrated well in the local region. They joined the ski club, they bring their kids to the local school. There are about 150,000 people visiting CERN each year, which is a huge number. And these people need a hotel, they need to eat in a restaurant, and also they visit other places in the local region beyond CERN. So that's a huge economic impulse. Well, I would say keep thinking big. If I reflect on my years at CERN, what I found most inspiring is that in the end it's a very ambitious project that was created there in the 1950s. And some people at that time might have thought, well, that's never going to work. And it's amazing to see if cultures and countries team up and have the same goal, what they can achieve together. And I think that by itself is inspiring and amazing. But it starts with having this big dream and big goal. So that would be my advice to the Einstein Telescope team.